What is a mindfulness? Mindfulness can be described in many ways. It is a practice of purposefully paying attention in the present moment and bringing a non-judgmental, compassionate awareness to the nature of things. It is a way of being, a way of relating to our inner and outer experiences, and the coming to our senses, literally and figuratively. At the same time, it is nothing at all, nothing but a rediscovery or a remembering of our natural, unborn capacity to be fully awake in our lives, in contact with things in a direct way without the filters of concepts, past experiences, or likes and dislikes. This way of seeing is immediately available to all of us at any moment. Try it now if you like. Just move your eyes away from somewhere and let your gaze land on something nearby. Offer it bare attention, seeing it as if for the first time, leaving labels and associations aside. Softly notice its shape, color, texture, and the space it occupies. Practicing further, you might also notice thoughts crossing your mind, your attention wandering to something else, or feelings arising in response to your sensory contact with the object. Give it a try now, then try again. You can use the same object or a different one each time. What you just engaged in was a mindfulness practice. You picked an object of attention to help anchor your awareness in a present moment experience, and you observed what happened in your mind, body, and heart. Most likely, much of what you observed reflects some of the elements of your everyday experience, such as distraction, desire, aversion, restlessness, doubt, or boredom. Yet, there may have also been moments of just seeing. This is what is meant by mindfulness practice. It is called a practice because when we do it in a consistent fashion, we get multiple opportunities to practice with the stuff of life. Over time, we can gently shift our relationship to this stuff and learn in a safe, gradual, self-paced way how to respond, instead of react to the habits and frequent flyers of the mind. We learn to cultivate choice and develop a greater sense of efficacy and balance in our lives. In this way, we gradually restore a healthy, friendly relationship with ourselves, begin to feel less alienated and isolated from ourselves and others, and reconnect to our own deep intuitive wisdom and creativity. This practice is an inner journey and perhaps the most important journey of our lives, a thought elegantly captured by the American monk and writer Thomas Merton. Of what use is it that we can travel to the moon if we can't cross the abyss that separates us from ourselves? Mindfulness, it is a way of simply coming to know yourself and things that just they are, moment by moment, and opening to the wisdom that naturally arises when one cultivates a compassionate curiosity towards the human experience. So mindfulness is a universal, modern way to enhance life. Its practice can make us calmer and more centered, and improve our physical well-being.